Dream Code is here back again, and today I'm going to show you how you can install opencv or cv2 on Ubuntu. In order to check if you have already installed cv2, you can type something like python 3. Then you can try to import the cv2. And if you get this error, module not found, it means that you don't have cv2 installed. So in order to install it, you firstly need to install pip3. It's a simple method, so python 3 minus pip. Yeah, and right now I'm installing the python 3 pip because I want to install the opencv on python 3. I want to use python 3 because python 3 is like the last python which I want to use. And I'm waiting for the package to install. Pip contains others like libraries which you can install pretty easy. Okay, after you install this, you'll have something like this. So after typing this line, the python 3 pip will be installed with everything on it. Now let's see if I'm going to clear everything. I'm going to use python 3. Let's see if we can import now cv2. So it means that we can still not import cv2, so I'll exit. Then I'll type something different. pip3 install opencv minus python. So pip3 is from python 3. It's like a packager, as I told you, which is installing libraries. Right now it should work. Let's see. So I'm installing the cv2 package, opencv. The opencv is like a huge package which contains a lot of stuff which you can do with reading from cameras, using images, and I don't know, apply some threshold on images. So cv2 or opencv is a really nice library which you can use to manipulate very easy the frames on a video camera, or as I told you, stuff like that, or work with images. So yeah, I waited here like I don't know, 7 minutes, and after the pip3 was installed, now I can install the opencv-python. So it's downloading the package. Now it's installing the package numpy opencv-python, and it says that everything is okay and is installed. Now if I'm writing here python 3, then I'm trying to import cv2, it should work. You see we have this line, and if you want to see the version of cv2, we can do something like cv2 point version and 2 underlines, and we can see that we have the cv2 version 4.10 or 4.10. So in the next episode I'm going to do the record from the webcam with everything installed and working. Have fun.